This Ninja Foodi dual basket air fryer can not only air fry, but it also bakes, roasts, broils, dehydrates, and reheats. The unit came packaged in a box encased in this cardboard for a snug fit inside the box. It is a rather large unit measuring 13.86 by 15.63 by 12.4 inches. So you'll need to make sure you have sufficient counter space, as their instruction booklet indicated that you should not place it on the stovetop. It came with an instruction booklet that includes a cooking chart with guidelines for a variety of meat, seafood, veggies, and other types of food. They also threw in some recipes. On the front of the unit is a control panel where you can set the cooking features, temperature, and time, and right above it is the air vent all around the unit. On either sides of the unit, there are some helpful guidelines and reminders of the recommended temperature and time settings for a variety of food, including chicken, fish, fries, veggies. The maximum temperature it will reach is 450 Fahrenheit. With the two separate basket chambers, it's actually possible to cook two different foods at the same time, which should save you time during meal prep. So, for instance, you could cook chicken at the same time you are cooking fries, or you can use their match cook feature to copy settings across the two baskets if you need to cook more of the same thing at the same time. That means if you have a batch of chicken, you can cook the batch at the same time using both baskets at the same time. When you're ready to cook, you can either place the food items straight into the non-stick basket, or if you want to save on cleaning time, you can place an air fryer liner inside the basket first, and then place the food items onto the liners. Once the food items are placed inside the basket, insert the basket into the unit and then power on the unit. Then, according to which chamber you have the food in, set the temperature as well as the timer. Here I'm making some marinated pork chops using the air fryer option at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Once you set the time and press the start button, the LED panel will start countdown. You can then hear the unit as it starts cooking. When the food is done, it will set to cool for about 15 to 20 seconds before you should retrieve the food from the basket. And here's what the pork chops look like. They are cooked perfectly and the flavor was on point. With this first test a success, I can't wait to try some other foods as well as other cooking functions.